Omega have such versatility. There is an Omega watch for every individuality and every taste. Depending on whether you want classic black and timeless design, right through to something that is outlandish and bold, Omega really do have it covered. The big sports watch, something that will certainly be noticed on your wrist, so if you want to make a statement, if you want to be seen to be wearing a brand, you can then dress that up. Omega have some phenomenal watches that are bright orange. You have an affinity with the James Bond franchise, you enjoy the movies, or you just see that watch as quite an iconic status. You can own something like the Seamaster Diver 300, which gives you a lockdown crown, water resistance to 300 metres, the bracelet, including the ceramic bezel. You are looking for something that is going to be versatile with a suit. The DeVille range. Now the DeVille range does come in a variety of versions, so you could go for an entire steel model, including a steel bracelet, but as you can see, a complete different look from the Seamaster. Also to consider are things such as strap replacement. So if you do go for a dress watch, such as the DeVille range, you are looking at an alligator watch strap. Therefore, the replacement of them can exceed anywhere between £240 and £350. Again, if it's more of a watch for a dress occasion, so I certainly wouldn't recommend you submerge that kind of watch, because you will find that you are deteriorating the strap at a quicker rate. You have got the new Prestige collection, which again, very similar to the DeVille in the fact that it's got the 18-carat rose gold case, diamonds around the edge. The difference being with this model is it is quartz, so it is a battery operated watch, but that does allow for the case to be quite slim and quite slender, again allowing for an ideal dress watch. You have got the Seamaster Aquaterra. Now this just gives a little bit more of a softer case, so again the wearability and durability outdoes the alligator straps on the dress watches. And then within the same range for the ladies, you have got an ideal watch where you don't need to worry about battery replacement. It is powered off the movement of your wrist. If you want a watch where you have very little upkeep, if you go for an automatic watch, that service can be anywhere between 4 and 7 years. So I would strongly recommend that the watches are sent back to Omega, or certainly the battery resales are done by an Omega authorised agent. That allows your confidence in the watch having its functionality and being able to do as you purchased the watch for. If you are the type of person that knows that the watch is going to require some looking after, the more complications that your watch has, so chronographs or stopwatch facilities, will incur more of a cost. If you wear the watch, utilise the watch every day, it is actually better for the watch because it allows the cogs and the gears and the movement in itself to keep moving. If you keep a watch in a box or in the safe, what happens is the inside of the watch doesn't get the freedom to be able to move, to actually breathe. From a long-term point of view, it is much better for the watch to be worn. To find your perfect Omega watch, why not visit us in store or online at www.burrells.co.uk, or you can email me at the address below. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss a Burrells video.